If I can get Chrome Dome to work, are you done under there? How long are you gonna milk that for, Mary? You're ready?
Yeah.
You're ready?
Ready?
Oh my God.
Holy smoke.
Oh. That's gonna come in handy now, isn't it? So our little 70 Cuda is just about finished. We have all of the car complete except for the final detail stages. That's what Royal and I are getting ready to do now. That's the waxing, the detailing, getting compound out of the jams, wiping under the hood. We install all of the OEM decals back on it. After that, we're literally ready for Mark and Elena to show up and pick up the car. What's kind of cool about today is with the old shop, we were just always seemed to be panicking. Now we're not panicking. We're done, we're out of the woods, we're doing a last minute detail. Boom, Graveyard Carz on to the next one. I close this trunk lid. And our car's done. If I can get Chrome Dome to work, are you done under there? How long are you gonna milk that for, Mary?
Well, I get it done. Hey guys.
Royal Dave.
Hey, Royal.
How's it going?
I personally am super excited to see the look on their face. The Dailies are just wonderful people, good-hearted people. They've been waiting way too long, so I cannot wait to see the look on their face when they see this car for the first time. You're ready?
Yeah.
You're ready?
Ready?
Oh, I heard it.
I hear something starting.
That's unmistakable.
Okay, now that's just torture.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Holy smoke. Well, when I saw that thing coming around the corner there, it was just, couldn't believe it.
It was amazing. Amazing.
It looks really clean with those tinted windows.
Oh my word, that looks so amazing.
Wow.
Can you believe it?
Isn't that beautiful?
Wow.
What's wrong?
Oh my God, it's just gorgeous.
It looks better in real life than it even does in pictures.
Mark?
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Oh my gosh. Hey,
Absolutely stunning, isn't it?
it exceeds my expectations, let's put it that way. After the long wait that we just went through here in this car, it's a gem. It's beautiful. Can't believe how it turned out. That is freaking beautiful.
Finally.
Well, hop in.
I have a traction map now for you.
Wow, look at the dash.
God, man, I am just blown away. Dang.
Take a look at that.
Oh.
Kept all your MTs, kept the original, your powder-coated intake manifold. Holly redid the carburetor for us. This is a correct replica of the 3-core high-capacity radiator for it without having to punch holes for the 26.
Beautiful.
Original heater hose clamps, original hoses, replica, all the pieces along there. And then he did a phenomenal job putting a Mopar Performance electronic ignition, converting it over to work with the factory regulator that you see right there.
You guys.
Just as close to factory stuff as you could get, including the battery. This is your original fender tag. You'll notice that the first screw
Right
is
on.
painted and the second one is bright like it's supposed to be. Your rack and pinion uses this power steering setup. You notice this isn't Mopar.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Why don't you sit in it and fire it up?
Oh, yeah. Really?
Tell me what you think.
Yeah.
Well, heck,
Give it
I'm
fuel
getting
right
in
you
the,
go.
I'm
Get
getting in
there
the
with
car.
it. There you go.
Okay, Royal, will you open the door for me?
Well, of course.
Thank you.
Here, a little
I
bit.
pushed
Good.
it up.
Oh, you pushed it
Yeah,
out.
hers went forward
already
while
getting-
yours went backwards. Huh? Oh. That's gonna come in handy now, isn't it? Now this is the sinful part. But this
minor
is your
detail.
fault, not mine.
Oh,
The GMC.
no. I was gonna
That's
say,
on you,
that's
buddy.
a freaking G.
I usually melt when I get close to stuff like that.
Go test drive it?
Sure.
Don't let me stop you.
Let's go. Let's hit the road, babe.
I love this car, the way it sets, the color of it. It's just a cool car.
This is what we do at Graveyard Carz. It takes pride, it takes dedication to be able to make a car go from dead to not only alive, but beautiful.
Unbelievable. This is beautiful.
Yeah, the guys did an amazing job on this.
Beautiful ride.
Yeah, listen to that. It's just awesome.
As I see the dailies driving their car for the first time in 20 years, I have to reflect on what an amazing week it's been and what an amazing journey we've had.